Alright guys, Spliffy here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be featuring one of my most favorite Chinese brands of all time, Rapoo, and our product is VH200 gaming headset. If you haven't heard of Rapoo, Rapoo was established in Shenzhen, China in 2002 and has been ranked #1 in China's wireless keyboard and mouse market for 2 consecutive years. I have a very good experience with Rapoo. In fact, 5 years ago, I badly needed a mouse, and someone from the store introduced me to this mouse. This is Rapoo M10. In most stores, most accessories, especially mouse, gives only 3 to 6 months of warranty, but this one, 1 year warranty. And if you want to know about the mouse, after 5 years, it's still working. Then I bought this as a present. Then eventually I bought this because she dropped the previous one in the water. When my old laptop's keyboard broke, I bought this as an emergency. This is a keyboard and mouse combo. The size of the keyboard is basically the same size as a 14-inch laptop's keyboard. When I started developing carpal tunnel while working as a programmer, I bought this. This is a very good mouse. It's cheap, it's not that heavy, but it's good. This is considered as the poor man's MX Master. It actually looks like MX Master. I'm actually using it as my daily mouse. But we're here to talk about the gaming headset. Let's do this! The diameter of this headset is 50 mm. We will be expecting only the headset and the manual inside. This headset is sold in 2 colors, white and black, and it can be used in any devices having 3.5 mm audio port. Its features are inside we can find the manual and headset itself. This very simple user's manual is written in English, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. Who freaking needs a manual anyway? I don't think there's a particular software for this device. The back shows the QR code for their website. This is very flexible. The components are made of metal and plastic. The headband is metal inside, coated by a soft, rubbery tube. At the end of the wire, it has 3 connectors, white for the USB, green for the speaker, and pink for the microphone. I've been waiting for this. The paddings are soft, not that thick. The suspension band shows a VPRO stamp. Ooh, I wonder how many hours this will turn into gray, so white. I don't think the padding is removable, unlike the other gaming headsets. On the left side of the headset, you can find the volume wheel, the light button and the wire, and also the retractable mic. There are 4 modes of lighting. The first one is a light cycle. The second one is static, and the third one is breathing. The modes will change each time you press the button. The headset can definitely fit a very large head. The mic is retractable, but unfortunately it's very short only. But I don't really use the mic, I use this. The foam padding is soft but not thick. When I put this on, my ear doesn't touch the hard part of the headset, which is good. Unlike closed headset, this one is somewhat like open, so I can still hear my surroundings, and it's not hot, even for long hours of gaming. Alright guys, Spliffy here. Welcome back to... what's this? Diablo 3! What the fuck? I forgot the title of the game. Okay, right now we are going to descend through the cathedral. That's our mission, and look for our animations. Burnt bones. Okay, the quality is not the best, but it's okay. The base is kind of blurred, not that full, but still it's good. I love that. Okay, let's do this. This is from the microphone of Rapoo VH200. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. This is from my BM800 mic. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Okay, final verdict. If you are in a very tight budget but you want a cheap but good accessory, just try Rapoo. This is model VH200. It was around 1,300 pesos to 2,000 when I bought this. If you have a little more to spend, I recommend this VH600 Virtual 7.1 channels gaming headset. It basically looks like the VH200, but the controls are separate. It's not under the ear. You can also check the other gaming products in their website. Check the description for the link. So this is my new Rapoo VH200. Leave a like, comment if you have questions, and subscribe if you're new. Peace. See you soon. Bye.